Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Linguamid. أهلا بيكم في فيديو جديد من Linguamid. How about some positive words and phrases? In the current situation, we need really a positive, let's say, push. And I want in this video to talk a little bit about positive words and phrases in Egyptian Arabic. And I'm giving you 10 of the common words and phrases that are filled with positive energy. So let's start. The first word is التفاؤل. Optimism. Optimism. التفاؤل. التفاؤل. I say as an Egyptian أنا متفائل. I am optimistic. Okay? أنا متفائل. So the word التفاؤل is a very important and common word, and we all need to be optimistic. لازم نكون متفائلين. لازم نكون we need to be optimistic. متفائلين. أنا متفائل. I'm optimistic. التفاؤل optimism. So optimism التفاؤل. 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 The second word is الأمل. Hope. Hope. الأمل. الأمل. You have hope. I have hope. أنا عندي أمل. أنت عندك أمل. You have hope. You have hope. I have hope. أنا عندي أمل. So hope is الأمل. 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 The third word is very interesting and very positive and very lovely word in Egyptian Arabic, which is مبروك. مبروك. If you succeeded in everything, in anything, got really high scores, or you achieved a certain goal and all this, people in Egyptians will tell you مبروك. مبروك. So مبروك means congratulations. Okay? Congratulations. مبروك. This is a very interesting word and very well known and widely used word in Egyptian Arabic. مبروك. مبروك. Congratulations. The fourth word is حمد لله على السلامة. حمد لله على السلامة. So حمد لله على السلامة is in Egyptian Arabic. It means in English, welcome back. Okay, welcome back. So حمد لله على السلامة. حمد لله على السلامة. Literally, حمد لله على السلامة means thanks for God for the safety. Or thank God for the safety, okay, for your safety or for the safety. So this is the literal meaning. حمد لله على السلامة. When you are on a trip and you come back, Egyptians will tell you حمد لله على السلامة. حمد لله على السلامة. This is a very important phrase that usually, that not usually, but that you will always hear if you are traveling and coming back. The fifth phrase is سيبها على الله. سيبها على الله. The literal meaning of سيبها على الله is leave it to God. And this is a literal meaning, and usually Egyptians say it when somebody has done his homework or her homework, and there's nothing else to be done, and the person is still worried, so people will tell him, or he will have the answer, سيبها على الله, so leave it to God to handle it. Usually this is very well known phrase in Egypt, and it's also important to know that many phrases in Egypt have this religious aspect, because people, Egyptians in general, they are very well connected to religion, and you find this reflected in their expressions and their phrases, and this is very common in Egypt. So the sixth word is خير. خير. Here you will hear it a lot in Egypt, because it's something that really positive, and people say it in order to hope for better things to come. So when you say, okay, I'm expecting this and this and this, some people will say خير. خير. And when people say خير, just خير, it means that let's hope that everything will go okay, will be alright in the future. So خير in as a word means the good thing, the good, or fine, or a really good thing. So it's a very positive word on its own, and when they say khair, it's just a summary of saying everything will be alright, everything will work, and all like this. Another important phrase is كل سنة وانت طيب. كل سنة وانت طيب, or for male كل سنة وانت طيبة for female. This is a typical congratulation for the birthday or the new year. Okay, so usually in the birthday you say happy birthday كل سنة وانت طيب, or كل سنة وانت طيبة, or happy new year كل سنة وانت طيب, كل سنة وانت طيبة. They say this phrase you will hear a lot in both occasions, and this phrase is very well known in Egyptian Arabic. So كل سنة وانت طيب for male, كل سنة وانت طيبة for female. Really a very positive phrase. Like مبروك, congratulations, you hear also بالتوفيق, or you hear بالنجاح. Okay, بالتوفيق means in Egyptian Arabic, really I wish you a very good luck, or I wish you to be really always better and better, and you have very better luck in the future. So بالتوفيق is a greeting or is a response in the occasion if you are succeeding in something, or if you are doing something and you are waiting for the result, or waiting for the, let us say, an exam, waiting for the grades, and all these people will tell you بالتوفيق, we wish you all the best. So we wish you all the best. This is the closest translation to this, بالتوفيق. A very important word is رائع, amazing, رائع, fabulous, wonderful. All these words and terms mean in Arabic, in Egyptian Arabic, رائع, and also in modern standard Arabic. So رائع usually you hear it in Egyptian Arabic, but it has some flavor of standard Arabic, or it is very standardized, not related to dialects, but still you can hear it as a dialect word. So usually you can hear رائع from people in Egyptian Arabic, and you can hear also other synonyms like جميل, beautiful, حلو, sweet or nice, رائع, wonderful. So you can hear all this to indicate the same words or the same condition. A very important word also is Gamine. Okay, Gamine means beautiful, as I just said. So Gamine is beautiful, and if you hear a phone call, you may also hear the person saying Gamil. Okay, Gamil. It means that he's saying everything is going okay, and he's telling the person on the other side of the phone that okay, follow up. I'm following up with you. Go on with the information. I am following up. So Gamil, everything is going right and going okay, and I am listening and I'm following up with you. So Gamil is a beautiful. So an adjective means beautiful. So you can describe anything as Gamil. So المنظر جميل, the scene is really beautiful. Okay, or for example the sea is beautiful, البحر جميل, and so on. And also you can say جميل as a following up tool. Okay, so جميل is beautiful. So these were really common 10 words and phrases that you will definitely hear a lot in any Egyptian Arabic dialogue or conversation, and I'm sure that if you know these, it will make it very simple for you to cope with the conversation. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and look at the description box below and write me comments. Thanks a lot, and see you in a future video.